Do you want to earn $10,000 per month, just doing copy-paste work on YouTube? I am going to give you a channel idea on this channel. You don't have to show your face in this topic. You only need a mobile or a computer. You don't need a camera or mic for it. Already many people are working on this topic and their channels are growing very much in views and millions are coming on it. By working on this topic you can earn more money and less views because the RPM here is very high. And you can earn $10,000 monthly. In fact, if you want to make videos on fitness and exercise, then I will tell you all the details in this video. I will tell you where you can get copyright-free videos and also how you can write scripts without any effort. All the details will be in this video, so definitely watch this video. First of all, I will show you some channels, which will show you how to make videos and also show you their earnings, how much money those channels are making. So look at this channel. This channel makes videos of exercisers. If we talk about its earnings, it is earning almost $10,000 per month. And if you see the views of this channel in the last 30 days, then almost 38 million views have come. And in the last 30 days, 350,000 subscribers have come. Check another channel. This channel is also earning almost $3,000 per month and it is also earning money just by uploading fitness videos on YouTube, so you can also earn. So, the first thing we have to do is to take the script from. So for this you should first think of a topic on which you are making a video. For example, if you are making a video on chest workout, you can also get the script on simple Google. Apart from that, I will tell you another way by which you can prepare the script very easily. You can write a script from ChatGPT. You have to write chest workout on it, then it will create a complete script for you and you can easily use it in your videos. Now you have prepared script, after you have also done the voiceover of it. Now from where you have to take videos, so for that I will tell you your website, which name is pexel.com. Here you will find many videos, so you have to download the video from here according to your script. Now you have to edit it, for that you can use any online or offline software. When you make the video, you have to upload it on simple YouTube. After uploading the video on YouTube you have to SEO it well, give a good title, description and tags on it. If you SEO your video well, your video will go to more people and get more views and of course more money. After that, you have to do another small task, that you have to make a short video on this topic, so that because short videos go viral faster, more subscribers will come, so your channel will grow quickly. Like this video and subscribe or my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.